Welcome, my beautiful people, to my channel on this November Sunday afternoon, where I await the arrival of my pretty canary bird, yellow birds. Them on the grass creek, they generally come in to feed at this time of the day. And so we up in the hills of the Dry Harbor Mountain Range. This is where we enjoy the beauty of nature. Here they go. They are in their numbers and they are feeding on my barbecue. I enjoy entertaining them because they are some of the most beautiful, spectacular birds. Very lovely. Boji birds. Oh, they float away. Yeah, they are a bit timid at times, but that's the nature of the birds in the wild. They are very wild, but nevertheless, whenever I'm in their territory when they are feeding, I try to keep very low key so I can entertain them. How beautiful they are! Look at nature. Nature speak volume. Nature's bounty. How beautiful these birds are. My peep, way up in the hills of St. Anne in the Dry Harbor Mountain Range, St. Anne, Jamaica. This is where I say nature, beauty, nature speak to man. Phenomenal. Aren't they splendid? Aren't they beautiful? Now, if you look at way over in the corner, there's still one of the grass squid. Here they are coming back again. Wow, they are so lovely. Yeah, it's always a beauty to entertain them. I enjoy watching them. Now, where I'm at, I'm kind of have to keep very low key because any disturbance, they just fly away. However, because there's so much food there on the ground, they are not gonna leave. They will just come back and continue eating until it's finished. Here they are again. Here they are. Wow. Gorgeous, beautiful birds. I'll leave the fire next to one side. That's why these little snow they just fly away. Lovely. This is what I enjoy as a boy. Watching birds feeding in their natural environment. I was never the person who liked to have them in a cage. to enjoy them. This to me is phenomenal. Budgie, budgie, budgie. Pretty budgie. Okay, now they have been disturbed by the dogs. Ladies and gentlemen, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. This is your boy Pat, enjoying nature in its wild and enjoying nature's beauty. You can subscribe to my channel, like and share, my peeps. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing others. I have the doves coming up soon. The next video will showcase the beautiful doves. Oh, this is nature in its glory, in its splendor. Nature speak to man. And so we all want to showcase way up in the hills of the Dry Harbor Mountain range, where nature speak to man. This is your boy Patrick, and I enjoy bringing videos like these to you. It is my pleasure showcasing what I enjoy best. And while I'm retracing my youthful boyhood days, this to me is one of the most nostalgic moments in my life. Watching birds in their wild. Enjoy this video, and all the best until